Hi everyone, Stuart here. Welcome back. Today I want to share with you how you can use the new Google Search Console for search engine optimization and how you can identify particular keywords and optimize your website so that you rank #1 on Google. Alright, with that being said guys, before we dive into it, and if you're interested in digital solutions for small business, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified when we upload new content. Alright, with that being said, let's dive into the Google Search Console. Here we are at our Google Search Console. Now, if you have not installed the Google Search Console on your website, that's the first thing you must do. Now, there are hundreds of tutorials, videos on YouTube that can guide you through this process. So that's the first step in setting up your Google Search Console. Now, if you built your website using WordPress, a great plugin is called Yoast SEO, and this is great for linking your website to your Google Search Console. Okay, now let's assume you have your Google Search Console up and running for your website. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is check out your Google Search dashboard. Now here you'll be able to find, track, and measure your website performance and results. You'll also be able to research keywords that your website is already showing up for on Google, and you'll also be able to identify issues and errors on your website pages, as well as the indexing issues, desktop or mobile response issues. However, today in this video, we just want to focus on performance. This is where you can optimize your website for search engine optimization for particular keywords that you want to rank #1 for on Google. Here you can measure your website traffic in terms of clicks through to your website, as well as the impressions, which is basically the amount of times that users see your website show up on Google. Then we also have the average click-through rate based on the percentage of impressions that result in clicks. And then finally, we have the average position on Google that your website is showing up for the list of keywords down below. Here you can also change the period of data you want to see here. So for me, I'll keep it at 3 months, 90 days. That's a good spread of data to look at. Then you want to navigate down to this section below where you can see all the keywords. Now, this is the most valuable section when it comes to your search engine optimization and your keyword research. Okay, so first we have the keywords or phrases that people are searching for on Google that your website is showing up for. Then we have volume of searches. After this, we have cost per click. So this is if you're using Google Ads, this is how much this particular keyword will cost to reach the top of the page on Google. Then we have the level of competition. Next to this, we have the number of clicks. Then we have the impressions, the click-through rate, and the position on Google for these keywords that you rank for. Now, as an example for this tutorial, we're going to be using our client's website. They are an amazing local Asian fusion restaurant based here in Tauranga, New Zealand. Now, here you want to look at the keywords that are driving high amounts of clicks to your website. Now, here we want to take a look at Macau Tauranga, Macau Restaurant Tauranga, and Macau Lounge. Now, these are the focus keyword phrases that we want to look at, and we want to rank to the #1 position on Google. Now you want to select the right keywords. You want to make sure that the keywords that you want to select and focus on have high levels of volume, you're receiving high amounts of clicks, there's relatively low levels of competition, but you also rank relatively high for on Google. Because if you look at all these different factors and you're already ranking, then that's where you want to invest the time into those keywords where you're already ranking that are actually generating leads and conversions. Now you can also look at your website pages that receive the highest levels of traffic, as well as the different countries that are finding your website online, so the top countries that produce the most traffic through to your website, and you can also look at the top devices that people are using to interact with your website. Now if you head back over to queries, select the keyword that you want to improve your website's ranking. For example, I'll select Macau Tauranga as the keyword that I want to focus on. My reasons for this is because this is the keyword that's receiving the most clicks. However, this website is ranking 3.5 on average on Google, and I want it to rank number 1 for this keyword. Now, this is how you optimize your website and website pages for the particular keyword. So what you need to do is now add this keyword through all the content on the website pages that you want to rank number 1 on Google for. Now, for example, I'm going to focus on the top 2 website pages for Macau, as they receive the majority of the clicks and impressions, and they have a relatively high click-through rate. Now, as you can see on position, they both rank 3.5 on Google for this particular keyword, Macau Tauranga. So what I want to do is rank number 1. Now, it's important to note that you can't just add keywords anywhere on these web pages. What you want to do is make sure that the information flows. You want to make sure that the landing page of the pages that you're optimizing gives the user an amazing experience, okay? So you don't want to just throw in the keywords in any random place on the page. You want to make sure that it flows. So you're going to have to reword the content so that you can embed these keywords that you want to rank for. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Google Search Console for search engine optimization and to rank number 1 for particular keywords. Alright, thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a comment down below, smash the thumbs up button, and we will see you in the next video.